Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change font size in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show change font size. Now select from a text. Now go into the home menu option. Then click for a font in case font size option. Now for click. Then you show big size font. Then again select from another text. Now go into the home menu option. Then some other process. Now click for font size. Then show size. That is. Then again and then apply from sense for. Now click for mouse right button. Then click for a font size option. That is. Then you show sense font size in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel.